Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetics YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss 4 opportunity for the freshers from 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22 as well. So let's discuss. Before going ahead, I would like to say you that please do subscribe our YouTube channel, that is TechNetics. We have only 429 subscribers, so please improve the count. Please do subscribe and share the videos with others as well. So first opportunity is from Tata Communication. They are looking for the software development IT architecture person. Date is 31 July 2022 and location for the offering this profile, that is Chennai, and the company is Tata Communication. Basically, jobs agreement, you need to work on test engineer, testing, cloud developer, software engineer, engineering technology. So multiple roles will be there, multiple opportunities will be there. So if you have knowledge, let's understand knowledge abstract in order to progress toward full proficiency in field specialization, has a skill and knowledge that will allow them to adapt effectively, deal with unfamiliar issues, challenges, problem within their field of education must be software engineer or BCA experience 0 to 4 years. It is clearly mentioned. Okay, so from here you can apply for this particular job. Second opportunity is from the NTT company, NTT. They are looking from the GTE graduate training engineer. The location they will offer will be Bangalore, India. Key rules: gain knowledge and experience in area of specialization of function, remain current with the industry development related to relevant specific area of function, provide general administrative to the area of function specific area, coordinate meeting, create, maintain PowerPoint presentation, knowledge skill attribute, attention to detail, good verbal and communication skill, professional attitude and appearance, ability to deliver a quality service throughout the support, offering good planning and organizing, academic secondary school qualification or equivalent, experience required, relevant working experience is desirable but not essential. If you have experience, then it is good, but it is not compulsory, it is not must. Okay, some experience with dealing with internal external stakeholder, what will make you good fit for the role. Okay, so this is the job, you can apply from here. They offer good enough amount of money for the fresher, so I think this is the perfect job for any kind of fresher. Specialist software engineer, Python and Neo4j. Okay, so this job is from the Society General company. The location will be same, Bangalore. Permanent contract, IT, develop and support the referential application, interaction and regular communication with on-site partners for clarification, ensure adherence to defined procedure, ensure adherence to time, schedule and quality standards, respond promptly and effectively client tested request, organize workload and team members in effective manner, work closely with superiors on various subjects, proactively seek to identify and improve current core procedure. Profile required: candidate should have 0 to 3 years of experience. That means if you are graduated in 2022, then this job is for you, and if you have graduated in 2019 or 20, then this job is for you also. Good knowledge in OOPS, any database, SQL, good sound, should have very good analytical skill, um, must ready to work on development and support activities, DevOps, should have knowledge on SDLC cycle, agile methodology, CI/CD like Jenkins, Sonar. Opportunity to work with some of the best mind in a team and learn a lot on the technical front. Get mentored, groom, one of the best practices following in the IT industry, software industry. Okay, internal interfaces, team members, technical leader, business analyst, external leader, onshore team, developer, technical lead, business analyst, and users. Okay, so this is the opportunity, you can apply directly from here. And the last one, this job is from one of the big four company, that is KPMG, and they are offering the analyst profile GDC, KPMG Global Delivery Center. Okay. Job requirement is mm, assist team in completing a quality audit and track delivery status efficiently. Okay. Assist team in evaluating, documenting the design and operating effectiveness of technology control GITC ITACs pertaining to clients' internal controls over financial reporting. Technical skills not applicable for campus hires. Okay, experience in testing general IT control across the following domain: access to program and data, program development and charges changes, and computer operation across OS network DB application. Behavioral skills: critical thinking, analytical ability, excellent written and verbal communication skill, flexibility to adapt to personal drive, positive work ethic, innovative mindset. Education and experience: work, education qualification, BE BTech. Work experience: the candidate must have 0 to 1 year of relevant experience in a similar, preferably with big four firm. Okay. Preferred skills: flair to be abreast with emerging technology innovation like cloud computing, agile, blockchain. Familiar with MS Office of suite of application, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. Other information: number of interview will be 2 only. Mode of interview: telephonic, face to face, virtual. Maybe any one of these. Okay. Job location will be Bangalore or maybe Kochi, specific to business. So this is all about, you can apply from this. This is this look at this. So this profile is also from Bangalore, one Bangalore. Okay, assistant manager and below. So you can directly apply from here. So this is all about today. Hope this video helped you. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel, that is TechNetics. Hope you find and grab these opportunities as much as possible. Thank you so much.